What's something right now? Like, come on, give us the fucking game right now. What's something right now that indie artists need to all go research?
It's trial reels.
Still?
Yes.
Jeez.
You don't need any research.
Yeah.
Like, go use it.
Yeah.
Wow,
I'm not
you're still so
understanding.
bullish on it.
Yeah, because nobody knows about it.
Sell them on it, okay?
Yeah.
Because we've been talking about it. They won't listen to us.
There are people who don't know what trial reels is. There are people who think they've heard about it, but they don't have access to it. It's out.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
There's people who were talking about it, and it's like, you haven't tried it, so you don't even know. You didn't give trial reels a trial. Okay, so let me say what trial reels is first.
Okay.
Trial reels is a space. It's a black hole where you can put as many videos as you want. You could put the same videos with different text on screen and send them into this black hole where only people that don't know you live. Oh, amazing. Because guess what? People who don't know you are so much nicer than people who know you. They are not sick of you. They don't have fatigue. They're not tired of supporting your song. They don't know you. They just want to be entertained. And they're honest. Is this good? Did this make me laugh? Did I watch this for more than 5 seconds to get my attention? That's the only thing they're thinking about, right? Yeah. If you're on Instagram now, you know the algorithm's all fucked up. So when you go home, all you see is videos of people you don't know. And you're like, how does this happen? Let me tell you. If you want to be a part of the videos that come up on people's pages you don't know, trial reels. Okay, so they take your reel, you put something in there that you're too embarrassed to put on your own page. You made a really good content piece for your song, but it's a little cringy. You put it on trial reels, send it out into the universe. One of two things are going to happen. Neither of them are going to kill you. The first thing, you're going to learn that the content sucked. You thought it was good, it wasn't. It got showed to a bunch of people, they not fucking with it. So now you have data to go back and say, what should I have changed about this? Was it too long? Was the text on screen not engaging? Did it not start with the right 5 seconds? Guess what? Re-edit that motherfucker and put it back in trial reels and see if you get a different answer. Okay, the second thing that could happen, it could blow up.
You can get followers from trial reels.
I put videos of my clothes and stuff up on my Instagram all the time, right? And fashion is a part of my story. It's something else that I want to tell. I don't want to always talk about what I do for a living. My followers are like, that's a cute outfit. Yeah, oh, you look good going to the Grammys. Good job. I put one of my fashion videos in trial reels. They loved me over there. They loved me over there, okay? They wanted
over
to.
there is so funny.
They were not fatigued.
Fashion gram.
Hello, they were not fatigued with Amber's outfits and all the furry hats, and they don't know nothing about me. They were just like, girl, you look good. And let me tell you the craziest thing that happened over there in trial reels.
Yeah, I'm like literally over there.
It's different.
It is. It's a whole other land.
They follow.
Yes.
I don't know, and I think I'm an expert, one way posting regularly on Instagram, unless you just happen to have a viral video. And viral now is like the Kumar video with 15 million.
Yeah.
You have to almost get 15 million views to grow your page.
Yep.
They follow over there. They go, I love this outfit. Follow. When you show everything to your fans, they're like, bitch, I'm already following you. So there's nothing more I can do besides like, comment, and I'm already subscribed. Yeah. So there's nothing.
Yeah, y'all motherfuckers who aren't, click that bell icon.
There's nothing else for them to do. So that for an artist, discovery is an independent artist. Discovery is everything. You can't keep talking to the same people all the time. You can't keep giving them the same content. You can't keep pushing them the same song. Somebody new needs to come in and say, oh, I like this too.
And you can gear the content for new people because you know it's only going to new people, right?
I'm recycling shit from 5 years ago and saying, oh, this sound is viral. Let me put it over this video of me at the beach last year and see what it do. And I want to say this part because, again, insecurity as an artist is real, and I want to take note of that. Some of your trial reels are going to do well and some of them are not. That is the point. Leave them in there, let them grow. And the ones that didn't, now you have all of this information because you can go to Insights and it'll tell you, the skip rate on this one was high. So if you're getting like over a 60% skip rate,
it's trash.
The content wasn't good. It wasn't enough for somebody to stick around. Instagram actually shows you the exact point on the chart where people
Leave.
left.
Yeah.
Okay, so what did I need to do in the 5 seconds or in the 10 seconds to get them to sit and listen to this, right?
Yep.
And so, like, you have nothing to lose. You only have it to gain. So
No one's going to see your 60 view trial reel. It's not on your page. It's
Yeah.
free data for you.
but let's go on.
Okay.
When you do get that hit and you're like, I knew my content was good. I knew my song was cracking.
Flip it over. One click, flip it over to the page.
Flip it over to the main feed.
Yep.
It shows up as posted that day. So it's new to your fans. So you can, if a trial reel cracks off, you can move it to your main feed and now it's there. And also I have trial reels that have done well and I leave them in trial reels because I'm still testing this thing out. The ones where the follower conversion is great, I'm saying I'm staying in the Alamo.
Yeah.
I don't care what.
Because why do my followers need to see it?
Why would I leave?
It's paradise over
Show it
here.
to y'all. Y'all don't even love me. That's crazy. So trial reels is, and you know why I love trial reels? It's free.
Yeah.
It's absolutely free.
It's another
It's
free one.
You don't need no money.
It's another free one.
You need your creativity and your bravery and some effort.